Dear all, cross-site scripting, XSS, vulnerability discovered within the Krpano framework. The cross-site scripting, XSS, vulnerability discovered in Krpano framework allows threat actors to inject malicious scripts into web pages. These scripts can be designed to steal sensitive data, hijack user sessions, or spread spam advertisements. This issue in Krpano framework lies on how the web application handle untrusted data. If an application fails to validate or sanitize user input correctly, it becomes susceptible to malicious code injections. Root of this vulnerability was traced back to the improper handling of the XML parameter in URL, and the goal of manipulating these search results and fueling a spam ads campaign at scale is to inject malicious scripts across hundreds of websites. This security flaw is tracked as CVE 2020249001 with a CVSS score 6.1. The update introduced in version 1.20.10 restricted passQueryParameters to an allow list in an attempt to prevent such XSS attacks from taking place. The ad campaign leveraged this weakness to hijack over 350 sites to serve sketchy ads related to pornography, diet supplements, online casinos, and fake news sites, and some of these pages have been weaponized to boost YouTube video views. After the version 1.20.10 Krpano default installation found as not vulnerable, but the configurations of passQueryParameter in the XML parameter allowed external XML configuration via the URL, leading to an XSS risk. Mitigation strategies: remove infected pages via Google Search Console, update to the latest patched version, set the passQueryParameters setting to false, conduct effective cybersecurity awareness training for the organization's employees.